please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So here we have all the parts ready to assemble and make the perfect and mini vacuum cleaner that is not only small but also it works like a real vacuum cleaner. So let me just show you inside of this mini vacuum cleaner. This is a hair styling wax container, and I remove all the labels and drilled holes. And this is a flexible rubber which I found some extra. Okay, so let's discuss inside. This is a push button normally, and this is a push button which turns the power on and off. The two connections, one goes directly to the motor. The battery is both connection going to this board, which is overcharge and over discharge protection board. The USB cable wiring is coming directly into the board on the top, and then from the board the battery is charging, and also the motor is also connected to the board. And inside the board there is a LED light from where I connect the wires which indicates charging status. I directly connect it onto the board to the LED where it is. Here you can see the wires directly connected to either side of the LED for this light LED, which I installed onto the outer side of the motor. And this JST jack were used in order to disconnect and connect back to the motor. This is a tweeter installation which I use for base. Then we have motor here. This motor is I removed from the helicopter, and the fan is I used is from the drone. The motor is very high RPM and it's high performance motor. If you use this motor continuously, it will also not burn. This plastic piece is a bottle filter to store the ice separate into the water bottle. It was spare, I use it here. The holes were pretty small, around this size. I just increased the diameter of the hole in order the air to flow easily, moving from this side to this side easily. And I connect the JST connector. JST connector is connected directly to the motor, which will connect here. This is a rubber ring which is used in water pipe network to connect the push fit pipe fittings. This is 2 inch in diameter, and under that this plastic is I removed from a iHome speaker, which you can see in the video. This is the cap which is for this container. This is a water bottle neck which I cut it and installed with 2 compound adhesive glue, and everything is put together using 2 compound adhesive glue as well. So this shape is something like funnel, so it can suck and concentrate on this smaller diameter opening, so all the air gets high pressure. This piece here is a iPod holder is used to hold your iPod in a vertical position, and this part was this hole was for the iPod docking jack. With the hose, I just modified a little bit the mouth by heating up the mouth and spreading it into a flat shape, so it can be easily connected into this iPod holder. You just need to push it and that's it, it's fixed here. Other end is simple, cut it. Then the hole was drilled into the water bottle cap in order to suit the exact pipe diameter, and you just need to push it and it will be very easily connected. So you guys can see, yes, it is perfectly connected. And we have a black rubber band. You can say it's a gasket. We are going to use it as gasket. Here I'm having a pill bottle that I cut it and make this shape in order to suit this 2-inch diameter rubber opening. It is very nicely fitted into the 2-inch rubber, and it's perfectly fit, and there is no air leakage, so all the air concentration sucking from here. This bag is a Lenovo earphones carrying bag which was spare, so I just cut off the regular rope and I just installed the elastic here, you can see, in order to make it stretchable and fit onto the bottleneck easily. So you just need to install the filter this way, and then you need to insert this bag into the bottle opening, and then you can connect it here. So now I'm about to show you how we can fix this motor. I did not glue this part because in order to, if the motor gets damaged or the propeller gets damaged, the fan, so we can easily replace it, so I did not fix it. This part is easy installation. It suits the diameter perfectly. You just need to push it and it is fixed inside. For this light I use a resistor in order to protect this light from burning out. Basically this is a LiPo battery, and which provides a really high amp, and it's a 1S battery which is just 3.7 volts, but it's a high output, high discharge battery, so the motor is really fast while using these batteries. Just connect the jack from motor to the board, and let's test the fan. It's working properly. Then we can this foam base is installed in order not to make any short circuit in between the switch and the motor connection. Also it provides a cushion which reduces the vibration, and that's it. Oh, I forgot to install the gasket. The gasket here is pretty nice. You just need to install the gasket before, in order the air not to escape from anywhere else, providing a good seal. And then we can just tighten up this cap. This part is ready, and the filter needs to be, the tapper side, the lower side should be facing the button. It should go this way. Exactly, you can see, because the bottleneck, which is the main intake for the vacuum cleaner, is directly facing to this part. If this part is a little bit high, such as this part, this side, all the garbage, all the debris will be stuck onto the mouth of this opening. So you just need to tie it up this way, perfectly align. And we can test the suction. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's just demonstrate the air intake and out using this fan, which is very sensitive to air. By just blowing a small amount of air, it starts spinning. So you can easily check the air intake speed and air exit from these holes while the motor is in operation. So let me show you the air intake. This is the air intake and this is the air out. It's pretty fast, so you can see the air coming out is really fast. The fan which I used on to the motor for to propel the air is really lightweight in order not to damage the motor, because if the fan is heavy it will cause the motor, make the motor warm, and maybe it can damage the motor also. If the fan is heavy, it will consume a lot of energy from the battery, and which will be very affect the timing. It will affect the timing very badly. So let's try it again. Just connecting the hose to the bottleneck and try to find some debris around the carpet. Let me just pour this again. Spread it evenly. And let's start the vacuuming process. So you guys can see how the garbage is moving inside. Was not connected to the power source, and that's it. You can see it sucks all the trash inside very easily, very gently, and just a couple of seconds. So hope you guys like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.